Hello to myself and everybody else. This is video 72. So far with this one, I'm still looking at C++ and just practicing some stuff that I learned from like the video that I watched. And this time I'm going to be looking at like Booleans, which is basically true and false. So yeah, this thing from the last one. So far with that, I'm just going to try some simple stuff. So based on that video, they used bool red light equals true, bool green light equal false, not flash, false. And basically that's just how you set like true and false for something, just using the bool command or bool thing. Basically after that they used an if statement. They really didn't explain how those work, but I've been using them long enough that I can like use it. So basically it'll be if, and then they just put, that and everything. So red light, equal true, then C out, light is red, and then I just put an else sign, so else. So by the formatting, I just am used to doing it like this. So C out, is not red, and L. So basically that, and then I'm just going to put another one as well. So it would be basically the exact same thing. So I'll just copy and paste it. Basically the main difference is with this, it will be green light. And we're going to remove this true right here. Just keeping it blank. Just have it like this. And we'll just basically say light is green. There we go. So we'll go and just run this and everything real quick so we can just see what's up. So yeah, this says light is red, light is not green. So basically with this, it's just showing that like, red light is set to true, and basically saying if red light equals true, it's going to print this right here, light is red. Else if it was false, it would have printed light is not red. And with the green light one, basically same thing as up here, except with this one, we didn't put an equals. So basically this right here is going to go off of the variable up here. So basically saying if green light equals and then whatever it is up here, then it will go off the same thing. So saying if it's false, it will print this down here. If it's true, it will print this up here. So far, again, we can see that work. The main thing is I probably wouldn't recommend really using this formatting down here, because it'll probably get confusing when you go back in the future. Because you'll just look and say, if green light. It's like, if green light is what? Especially if you get an error or something, you'll be like, where's the problem? Was it this? Did I not specify it? So I just recommend specifying the thing like this, so you can just make sure it works and everything like that. Another thing and stuff too that was done was basically at the end of it. So I'll just go ahead and put in C out and L. So it'll just be some space here. Basically the other thing and stuff they showed was if you just straight up print out the variables, and this is another thing you can do as well. If you hold down Control and just click in two spots, you can type at the same time. So if I do C out, and then we'll just do something like this. So I'll just put underscore. Well, let me see something. Yeah, underscore light space, and then I'll put underscore light and L. So basically I'll do this. So with this it'll be red, green, and green. So basically what will happen and stuff here is going to print out the output, but what it will end up printing out is it will either print out 0 for false, or it will print out 1 for true. So we're going to take a look at that real quick. Yeah, so with this and everything, it does that right here. So red light is 1, green light is 0, basically saying red light is true, so that's why we got a 1 down here, and green light is false, so we got a 0 down here. We can just switch it and make sure. So false, true, run it again, and base same thing, again some difference. So we got a 0 because it's false and a 1 because it's true. Same thing with stuff up here. Light is not red because it's equal to false now, and light is green because it's equal to true now. So basically they show that, and it said if you wanted to show instead that what the actual values were in like words such as true and false, which we'll basically use is, let's put this, so show words true or false. Basically do the same thing, except you would use give me a second, let me look at my notes real quick, because it's bool alpha. I just have to remember the syntax for it. Where was that? Yeah, here it is. Basically just see out bool alpha. So I'll just type it so I can just make sure I got it. Yeah, so see out bool alpha. There we go. So basically just that. So if we run it this time, exact same thing here. We're just at the bottom. It shows true and false. The bool alpha makes it so instead of showing 0 and 1, it will show the actual words true and false. And basically that was all I really learned from like the Boolean like programming part. So really that's mostly it. Just again, unintentionally learned if statements, but I already kind of knew how to do that from working on some games and all that. Boolean, basically I know how to do that too, just with C++. I didn't know how to specifically do it here, or if there was any specific rules or something I didn't know about. So again, just learn that. Also learn how to print the 1s and 0s and how to print the actual words. So just little things like that. So really that's all. So to myself and everybody else, see you in the next one.